Okay, I'm doing a video of cooking my mealworms. I have a mealworm farm and showing everybody how I prepare them. I like it pretty simple. I don't like them really overcooked or anything. So these are my mealworms. They are live at the moment. And behind me, I just have set up a little electric burner. I've got a saute pan there with some butter in there heating up. I like to keep the temperature fairly low. And then when it's warm enough, I will add the mealworms. And I just kind of swirl it around a little bit. Okay, so the butter gets on all sides. This is a cool little wooden spoon that I just completed carving. And they're kind of curled up right now. I'm not sure if you can see that. But see how they're kind of curled up. And then after they get more cooked, they tend to like straighten out. And that's about how I know when, I can't really see that I'm showing you real well here, but that's when I kind of know when they're done. I also have this on a really low heat, so I don't burn the butter. So it's turning on now, so it's going to get a little bit warmer. And then my favorite way to eat them is just to put them in a bowl like this and put my homemade cheese on top. They're not alive right now. The movement you see is just from the boiling. But you'll see how they're starting to straighten out now. Like straight. That's because they're starting. The internal is starting to, the cooking is about done. See how they're all real straight now? That seems to be the stage where I like them the best. And then at that point, I just pour them. Ooh, I got a couple of that. I'm going to shut that off. Out of the... Okay, so now I'm just going to set you right here. You're probably not going to be able to see real good up close. Look here, but this is just a cheese grater. So I'm just going to leave those back there. And I'll move the spoon, that way you can see like the cheese. It's a real fine cheese. Oops, I'm grating it the wrong way. That's the problem. Okay, see that cheese going on there? Since it's a real fine cheese, you don't have to have a lot of heat to get that cheese to melt real well. I'll show you with the camera a little bit better close up after. Now they taste good because without the cheese also, but that's because I got a little salt in with the butter. Okay, so let's just kind of swirl it around a little bit here. And then I can turn the camera back. Today, I'm wearing my purple wig. Yesterday, it was like a reddish color. Anyway, when I posted one of my videos, somebody had a real problem with me wearing a wig. So, anyway, I'm not sure how hot this is. Oh, it's not bad at all. Not hot at all, I mean. Okay. It has a real nutty flavor. I think they're excellent. Everybody cringes, but I'm like, it's good. Okay. I want to show you my mouth, I guess. I know that's bad to do, but I really can't describe to you what the flavor. Nutty flavor. It's creamy. The insides are creamy. The chitin, okay, that's a little different. That's something you're gonna have to get used to. You just chew it up and then swallow it. It's not a real big deal. I mean, it's easy to swallow. You can tell I'm not drinking anything. My spoon is a little big. Like, I need to cut a better edge on it. It's pretty thick. I just started learning. And I just cut a huge chunk of my finger. So that kind of put the skids on the carving spoons project for right now. I just like using the things that I've made. Like the milk is, not the milk, the cheese is a Tome cheese. It was from March. It shows March 12th of this year, 2020. I just wear wigs because I'm too lazy to really dress up. I mean, like, do my hair. So, please forgive me. I'm busy. Like, the butter here, I milked the cow, separated the cream, and churned the butter. So I don't just go to the store and buy it. Well, I'll buy a wig because it saved me time. Okay, that's the mealworms cooked. Oh, I have not advanced yet to eating them raw. Okay, but here's what I have advanced to. And maybe somebody else can help me advance to eating one raw. Oh gosh, maybe I'll talk myself into it by the end of the video. I doubt it. We'll do another video. But anyway, okay. These are the pupa. These are what the mealworms turn into. After they're done being mealworms, they pupate into these larvae that don't wiggle around. Well, they wiggle around. Like, I could probably, okay, see him wiggling? Because he's alive. And so they do wiggle, but they're not going to, like, crawl out of your hand or crawl around in your mouth. Okay, that's the part that freaks me out about those worms. And why I haven't tried one raw. So, I have tried, they're going to pop out of my hand. I have tried one of these raw before. So today I'm going to try the whole handful raw to see if a more concentrated amount of them, you know, like larger amount of flavor would taste different or bad. And I'll give you my review on that. Ooh, there's little pokey things on them. Okay. It's not so bad. Whatever that is, it's juicy coming out of them. Not as sweet as probably I'm describing it, because I think I describe it like, sweet corn kernels, raw, and eat them and they pop, something like that. Definitely wouldn't be hard to eat like a huge handful of those if you had to, or even if you just put them on your salad, you know, sprinkle them raw. I don't even think you'd know they were in there, aren't they, really, to be honest. So I'm not going to eat the beetles. Probably, I don't think, probably. Oh, I probably will sometime, but. So these are my beetles, and then, below here, this is a drawer that's getting ready. Well, I got it ready for next week. It's just got the oats in there. And then, after they're done laying their eggs in this, I'll move them down into that drawer. And then this is a drawer that's got another batch of beetles in it. And they're laying their eggs in that oatmeal. And then after we hatch the eggs, they grow. And this is just what I have right now for my adults. And you can also see some pupa in there. So, I think that's it for the video. I hope y'all enjoyed me showing, I guess, how I do it. And if you have any other information that can help me, I appreciate it if you leave that in the comments below. Also help push me to try them different ways. Try different insects. I have ordered crickets before, had those. I've used cricket powder before. I've the grasshoppers they have that you can order. What else have I had? I'm not sure. I even collected grasshoppers off my road out front and made a soup. Added them to a soup. That wasn't bad. And then like and subscribe. Help share the channel so that we can get more people maybe involved in this and making it be not so taboo. Thanks a lot for watching. You all have a great day.